Hi everyone, Sabah here. Today we'll learn how to set up host WordPress on Hostinger. So it's pretty easy. What you have to do is log into your Hostinger account, get into the websites, click on websites, choose the websites that you want to download the WordPress on. Then you can click on auto installer. Once you click on auto installer, you have to choose whichever you want. Like if it is your WooCommerce platform, if you want to go with e-commerce, you can choose the WooCommerce, and if you want to go with the normal website, you can go with the WordPress, and if you have different CMSs, you can choose any one of them. So we'll select WordPress as we are going ahead with WordPress account itself. Now you have to enter the credentials that you want to log in with. Let's say our website name isn't SEO. I'll enter the email ID, then the admin name. You can have the password too. That's up to you. Whichever password user ID you want, you can have it. Just make sure you remember the password every time, because you have once you have the login details, and only once you have the credentials you can log into the WordPress account. So you make sure you have noted down these login details. Once this is done, what we'll do is click on install. It might take some time though. It's done. Click on admin panel. Click on admin panel. This is how you set a WordPress account in Hostinger. This is the dashboard of the WordPress. You can see zentseo.com. This is the site. Now you can edit as per your requirement. It is the default one. You can make any changes, whichever change you want now. The site plugins, all of them. It's ready to go. You can log out and log in with the credentials that you have already uh, generated earlier on. You can use the same credentials and check whether it is accessible or not. If not, you can make the changes. If you want to change the password also, you can make the changes and then log into the account. Yeah, the credentials are right. You can use the same credentials for like logging into the account. Thank you.